Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung speaker not working. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is set your volume to the max. You can also tap on the three dots above your volume slider to make sure that all volumes are turned up to the max. The other thing that you can do is simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon and restart your device. If that too does not work, head over to your quick settings again and toggle Bluetooth off on your device, as sometimes your device may be connected to external speakers or headphones, which may be causing this issue. If the issue still persists, what you can do is hold the power button for around 30 seconds and then hold the power button and the volume down button, after which your device will boot into safe mode. Try playing sound on that mode and try removing any apps that you have recently installed from safe mode. If these methods still fail, then you will have to visit the service center for further assistance, as it may be a hardware related issue. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.